sucker over my face and see what happens. Oh god, this is cold water too. Okay, as you can see, I already have my base on. If you're wondering, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. Concealer and highlighter is the Tarte Tape Shape. I'm giving it one last try before I give it away or throw it out. And then I set it with the Too Faced Peach Perfect Yellow. Nothing's really changed. I'm a creature of habit. Okay, so we're gonna start now. I'm gonna do one brow with the dip brow, which is something I always use. Ignore this thing. I don't know what that is. It's like stick. Oh, it is a sticker. I think I don't know what that is. Maybe the kids put stickers on it. This is in dark brown, and I'm gonna do this side with the. Oh, my hair is wet and it's like dripping water down my face. Yeah, I'm gonna do dip brow on this side. This is my left. I think you're right. Is that how it goes? And then I'm gonna do the Maybelline Tattoo Studio on this side. So I haven't tried this one yet, and we will see. We'll open up and do all that together. So let's do this brow. I had to put a little bit of oil in there because it was so dry, and it works great now. The brush that I always use for my brow was the Tarte. I think this is the bamboo something. It came with the Tarte Amazonian clay powder brow thing. That it was my favorite, and I just never picked it up again because I've been using this, but I really like that one more than this. Okay, anyways, let's start. I start about a third of the way in, if you're wondering. I don't think I've done an updated brow tutorial in a while. And then I draw the bottom half of it like that. And then I just go in and fill it in. But I leave the front alone still. One brow. And now for the Maybelline Tattoo Studio. It says lasts up to 2 days, so I'm guessing it kind of tints your brow a little bit too, but we will see. We will see. I'm gonna wear it all day, and then I'm gonna wash my face at the end of the night and see how much of it is left and if it's actually gonna last for the next day. But I got it in the shade 260, a deep brown. So it's like a squeeze tube thing, and the applicator is, oh, it's not a spoolie, that's like a lip gloss applicator. All right, they gave you a spoolie, so let's see the claims of it real quick. 98% soft, fuller, thicker brows. Does it, it's supposed to make your brow grow or something? Get brows for days. New waterproof brow gel. Lasts up to 2 days. Formula adheres to brows for a no hassle wear. Does not transfer. Does not smudge. Waterproof. Waterproof. Okay. Real quick. This shit's transfer and it's smudge. Waterproof? No. Water resistant? Yeah. It depends on how you handle yourself when your face is wet, or, you know. I mean, if you're jumping in the pool and you get out of the pool and you're going like this, yeah, your makeup's not gonna come off. But if you pat a little, sometimes a little water on your face makes your makeup looks better. But anyways, pro tip: remove excess formula from tip. You start by going the opposite direction of the way your brow grow, and then you come back and fill it in, and then you spoolie it out. Okay, sounds easy. Okay, I'm gonna take all the excess off of it. I don't know how precise I can get with this because it's such a thick tip. That's what she said. No. Okay, so I wonder how this works if you don't have brow hair. Like, it's supposed to stick to your brow hair. So if you don't have brow hair, then I don't know. Ooh, girl, this is dark. So it says to work the opposite way of the way your hair grow, leaving the front alone, and then going back the other way to fill it in. With this product, I can tell already that I'm going to need to clean up, like conceal. It goes on pretty messy, and it doesn't stick to the skin. There's a piece right there. I don't have hair there. I'm trying to like, did that work? Kinda. Okay, I have on 2 different shade eyebrows. Can you guys tell? Okay, so for the front, I think I'm just going to kind of brush it on top of the brow hair, because I do have some brow hair, so I don't have to really worry about that. It doesn't look too bad, but it is messy in person. I want to go ahead and spoolie this out. It's still very wet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that concealing for this side. Okay, that's the best that I can do, but already I can tell this one, it's gonna take some time to get used to, but I think I like the undertone of this better. It's more cool tone. This is more reddish, as you can see. It's more brown. I mean, it's dark brown, but this is dark brown too, right? Deep brown. Okay, but is this deep brown or dark brown? Dark brown. I don't think it's bad. I think it's still wet, so it's still transferring a little bit. Alright, I'll be right back with the rest of my makeup on, and then we'll talk more about the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel? Gel, okay. Be right back. Alright, you guys, I am back with the rest of my face on. So as I was doing my eye makeup, I only have on like a little brown and then a highlight. But when I was doing my highlight, I kind of like ruined it. Like there's some highlighter on there, but since I can't be precise with it, what I'm gonna do is take my brush and then grab some product on there, and then I go over the line real quick. I think I like this product better. I just like the tone of it, and because it's coating my individual hair, it's making it feel like my brow is thicker. Like you have to see it in person. Camera's not catching it, but it feels like it's just like, I don't know how to explain it, but I really do like this product. I think from now on, if I want a more precise look, I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I just do with my brush and kind of go over it. Let me take this. I just really like the tone of this. It's just more cool tone, and it matches my hair a little bit better. Yeah, I am gonna go ahead and wear this for the rest of the day, and I will see you at the end of the night. We're gonna do a water test at the end of the night because I'm not gonna, you know, wash my face right now. And oh, a transfer. Well, let me touch the top part. I mean, it is dry. It does transfer, and I think it's been on my face for about a good 30 minutes now while I was doing my makeup. So it still does transfer, but we'll see at the end of the night if it's still, I don't know, maybe it needs more time to dry. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I am back. It is now 10:05 p.m. I've had my makeup on since 11 this morning, so almost 12 hours, 11 hours. Brows held up great. I was in the rain for a few minutes, I want to say minute, because I had to grab some groceries and stuff and run into the car, and it rained so hard today. Unfortunately, of course, I didn't vlog it or, you know, catch a clip of it, so it probably didn't happen, right? Anyways, brows held up really nice, both sides, of course. This is from the rain. Got on my mascara. I really like the Maybelline Tattoo side. I mean, I like this side too, but I think what's winning me over for this side is the tint of it. It's more cool tone. if you can tell. This side is so oily, my goodness. This side is just more warm and more brownish, more like reddish brown, while this is more like a gray brown, and I really like it. It's like a light black. It just matches my hair color a lot better. Yeah, I think I'm gonna continue using this. I really like it, but let's see the transfer and the waterproof test. So first transfer, I'm just gonna, I guess, it transferred. And I'm really oily right now, so it's probably attached to my oil. Also, if you don't have hair, like I don't really have a tail, it went onto my skin pretty well. Like I can still be able to go on. You know how some brow product, if you don't have hair there, it kind of looks kind of funny, like bald, like the dip brow hair is kind of bald on the area that I don't have hair because there's nothing to adhere it to. So yeah, but this did pretty well with it. But yeah, of course the dip brow is gonna, dip brow has less transfer. Let's do it together. Clean off my hand. I'm gonna use my different finger. So it's coming off more at the tail, which is where there's no hair. So yeah, okay, so the Maybelline side does transfer still. And now I have this cup of water from this morning that I didn't finish while taking my vitamin. I'm gonna grab a towel real quick. I'm just gonna pour this sucker over my face and see what happens. It's cold water too. Oh my god, I left my lashes on. Oh man, that's ruined. Oh, anyways. So of course when you're getting your face wet, a face full of makeup, you're not gonna go and like rub it off like this. Usually when I get my face wet, when I'm in the rain or something, I would take a paper towel or toilet paper and just damp it or dab it dry. I don't have one and I don't feel like getting one, so I'm just gonna use this towel. Mascara definitely is not waterproof, but if you're careful with it in the pool, you'll be fine. Just like this, just kind of dab it dry. I don't see anything coming off onto the towel, so there you go. Now if I'm gonna just test it and see if it scrubs off. Like, are they expecting you not to wash your face? I exfoliate daily and I get into my brows because the dip brow usually doesn't come off. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I mean, it's coming off, so does it last 2 days? I don't think so. Let's try this side. Dip brow stays on a little bit more than that. Oh, I look a mess. Holy crap. I totally forgot to do an intro clip too. So dip brow lasts longer, better with waterproof, water resistant, and I don't know, I think it's gonna depend on the day I'm having. If I know I'm gonna get wet, I'll probably use a dip brow, but if not, then the Maybelline Studio waterproof brow gel is what I'll do or use on the daily. I know I look crazy, but I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helped answer some questions. Let me know if you guys tried it. Let me know how you like it. If there's a different technique that you tried and it worked for you, let me know. I am always up for new ways to use different things. And that's it for my video today. I hope you guys are checking out my vlog channel. I vlog every single day. I upload every single day. If I miss a day, I'll probably do like uploads and like, 2 uploads in a day. Please make sure you're subscribed so that you're all caught up onto my videos. Give me a like if you like this video, and yeah, I'm not used to asking you guys to subscribe and to give me a like and to check out my vlog channel and all that stuff. I'm not used to self-promoting, so I always tend to feel a little weird, that part. On that note, I think I'm just gonna cut it off here.